Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here benzene compound is given with multiple substitution. Four substitutions are there. One is methyl, another is ethyl, another is alkene side chain, another is ester. We have to arrange by its proton NMR value of its hydrogens. Here answer lies in the electronegativity and shielding and deshielding. The second carbon comes higher chemical state because of the sp2 carbon and electronegative nitrogen. Two factors pull that and more deshielding. The hydrogen has higher chemical state. Then comes first attached with the sp2 carbon. The carbon involved in delocalization. You have cation formation there. So the cation also deshields. So it comes second. Then fourth comes with attached with just sp2 carbon. Then comes third, it's only sp3 carbon. So if you look at the trend, 2 will be higher, then 1, then 4, least will be the third one. Here the concept you have to learn here is even resonance can influence the chemical shift by forming the cation and deshielding. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.